If you've ever struggled with comparing candidates from LinkedIn, Indeed, and your ATS, you know how subjective and time-consuming it can be. What if I told you there's a way to analyze profiles with scientific precision? In this video, I'll explain how AnalyzeProfiles transforms talent acquisition by providing deterministic, objective analysis of candidate qualifications. The talent acquisition industry faces a major challenge. Candidate data is scattered across multiple platforms, each with its own structure. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. LinkedIn profiles emphasize connections and endorsements. Indeed focuses on job history, and internal ATS systems may have custom fields. Generic tools like spreadsheets or basic ATS filters fail because they can't harmonize this data. Recruiters end up making manual comparisons, which are prone to errors and biases. This leads to inconsistent hiring decisions, longer time to fill, and potential compliance issues. Real industry challenges include keeping up with volume, ensuring diversity, and meeting regulatory requirements. AnalyzeProfiles employs a technical method based on data normalization and pattern recognition. We start by ingesting profile data and parsing it into standardized attributes. Key concepts include skill clustering, where similar skills are grouped, experience timeline analysis, which looks at career progression, and qualification scoring, which weights different factors based on role requirements. It's important to differentiate this from simple keyword search. We don't just count keywords, we analyze contexts, such as the duration of experience with a skill or the relevance of past roles. This approach avoids common misconceptions like equating frequent job changes with instability without considering industry norms. AnalyzeProfiles specifically handles data ingestion from APIs and file uploads, normalizes profiles into a common schema, and applies deterministic calculations. For example, it can calculate the total years of experience in a specific domain, match skills to a competency framework, and identify gaps or strengths. The audit trail logs every step, from data source to final score, which is crucial for compliance. Scenario modeling lets you adjust parameters, like increasing the weight for leadership experience, and immediately see how candidate rankings change. This flexibility helps in tailoring the analysis to different hiring needs. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Suppose you're hiring a marketing manager. You might consider variables like years in digital marketing, campaign management experience, and proficiency with tools like HubSpot or Google Analytics. AnalyzeProfiles would take profiles from LinkedIn, Indeed, and your ATS, normalize the data, and score each candidate on these variables. You'd see a report showing, for instance, candidate A has 5 years of digital marketing experience with strong campaign results, while candidate B has 3 years but more tool expertise. The outcome is a comparative analysis that highlights strengths and gaps, helping you make an informed decision. The reporting module generates clear, concise reports that are easy for stakeholders to understand. These reports include visualizations like scorecards and radar charts, making complex data accessible. They align with regulations by documenting the objective criteria used, thus supporting fair hiring practices. For instance, if you need to report to the EEOC, you can show how candidates were evaluated based on job-related factors only. In summary, AnalyzeProfiles offers a robust solution for objective candidate analysis, saving you time and reducing bias. It empowers talent orgs to make data-driven hiring decisions.